Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm still your favorite crocheter, Rachel Chidimma. Before you go, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Like the video and share to your friends. Yeah, you can see it. Thank you. Yeah, I will be working with size 4 to 1. That's it. So I've already taken my measurements like I normally do. We measure them together so you get the starting point and the ending points. Yeah, this point now is for this. Then this particular mark here is here. There, this ending point is here. Then this back mark is for this. Yeah, I'll be working with 3 size 9 twine. You can see it. So I'll be starting from here. I have 14 stitches from here to this point, 10 stitches from here to this point, then another 14 stitches from here to this point. So you work single crochets from here to this point. So we start. You chain 1, the same stitch, single crochet, then the next stitch, single crochet, 2, next stitch, 3, next stitch, 4, next stitch, 5. So I work from here to this point. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, at the end you make 1 chain, then you turn. So once you turn, you continue crocheting. You make more 2 rows of single crochet, more 2 rows of single crochet. Yeah, I have total of 3 rows. So at the end you make 1 chain and cut it off. Yeah, so we'll be starting from here now. You chain 1, then on the next stitch, single crochet, then on the 3rd stitch, single crochet, sorry, the 1st stitch, single crochet, 5th stitch, which is 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So I have to put back my stitch mark. Then on the 11th stitch, we are going to make single crochet, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the 11th stitch, single crochet on the next stitch. Yeah, after crocheting on the last stitch, you skip the slip knit we made initially, then single crochet in the first 2 stitches of the sew. 1, the next stitch, 2, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. Yeah, at the end, you crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Next stitch, you single crochet, then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. Yeah, at the end, you crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew, then you turn, skip 1 stitch, continue working till you work more 11 rows. You work more 11 rows. Yeah, we have total of 15 rows. That's it. Then on the 16th row, we start. Make 1 chain, then we single crochet from here, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. So you continue working to the end. Yeah, we have 29 stitches here. So at the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew. Next stitch, single crochet. So you turn. So once you turn, we are going to single crochet on the first 3 stitches, but first we will skip the 2 stitches we made on the sew. Then we make single crochet on the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Then after that, we are going to work 3 chains. Sorry, we work 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. So we count out 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then on the next stitch, single crochet on 2 stitches. 1, the next stitch, 2. That's it. Then you make another 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Count out 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then on the next stitch, single crochet on 2 stitches. 1, next stitch, 2. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it here. So continue working. At the end, you work single crochet on the last 3 stitches here. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew and turn. Then once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. So we're going to make 3 single crochet on this stitch now. 1, the same stitch, 2, the same stitch, 3. You can see it. Then a single crochet on these 2 stitches. 1, next stitch, 2. So you make 3 single crochets here. 1, 2, and 3 single crochets here. So you continue working with that to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So you work more 3 designs of this. Yeah, you can see it. So I made each design on direct on the next on the first design. You can see it. So for you to get this, you know, at the end you make single crochet on the first 2 stitches of the sew, then turn and skip 1 stitch. So for you to skip 1 stitch, that means the round, as in the stitches, have increased with 1 stitch. So on each design, we started this design with 3 stitches. Then this you will start it with 4, this with 5, then this with 6. So that is how I got this thing direct to each design. Yeah, so you add 1 more round to end. Yeah, you can see it. So we have total of 38 stitches around here. So we're going to work the side design. You work single crochet on these 16 stitches here. Yeah, at the end you make 1 chain and turn. Yeah, at the end you single crochet on the first 2 stitches up here. First stitch, second stitch, then you turn. So once you turn, we are going to skip the 2 stitches, 1, 2, then on the next stitch single crochet. So once you single crochet to this at the last stitch, you make 1 stitch and turn. So once you reach here, you single crochet on the first 2 stitches here, turn, skip the 2 stitches, continue working till you work more 3 rows, of this. Yeah, we have 5 rows here. So I'm going to work this side. You work the same thing, exactly what we did here, 5 rows. Yeah, you can see it, the 5th row. So we're going to work the 6th row to this point. Yeah, so we're going to work 35 chains at the back belt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, after working your 35 chains, you crochet this other side, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. So you work to this point. So you work 4 rows of single crochet. Once you reach here, you turn back to this point, 4 rows of single crochet. Yeah, once you crochet on the last stitch, you continue working on the chains. Yeah, you can see it. So we start the front design, the front belt, I mean. So you make your knot, then you work 2 chains, 1, 2. So we count out 16 stitches from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then you start crocheting on the next. So you're going to single crochet on 35 stitches here. Here at the end, we are going to work 40 chains. 40 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making your 40 chains, you add 1 chain. Then skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. So you walk from here to this point. So once you reach here, you make one chain and turn. So you work 4 rows of single crochet, 4 rows. Yeah, you can see it now. So the next thing now is to fix your buckle. So we stitch it here, round stitch. Yeah, I'm done. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Thank you.